Hey everyone, here's a short review on a Polo Ralph Lauren wool down vest with a crested patch and gold buttons. I hope you enjoy. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a review on a unique piece from Ralph Lauren. This is a French Navy wool down vest with gold buttons and an embroidered crest patch. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Men's Lifestyle with Zach Ross. Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're reviewing a classic piece from Ralph Lauren, but this one has particular unique details on it. This is a wool down vest in French Navy. It has 6 gold buttons on the front. They go all the way to the top, all the way to the bottom. This one has a embroidered crest patch, polo patch here on the left pocket. This one also has 2 flat pockets on each side, and these can be buttoned down. They're also in gold here. So this one has a very particular look, very unique, and will distinguish you from the rest of the people out there just wearing your typical down vest. This is very warm. It can work in the fall. It can work through winter if you have some layers underneath, or if you have sort of maybe some wool sweaters underneath. This will keep you very warm, your torso and also your neck if you're gonna go all the way to the top. You can pair this with many different items to give yourself a nice look. I just wore just a typical kind of Oxford white shirt here just to give it the contrast so you can see the detail. So the buttons here have polo hat and polo clubs, and the detail there was just a really nice detail. And the patch right here is very nice. Got your polo patch, crown on top, polo at the bottom. Very nice. So you can pair this with different styles. I'm gonna do a cable knit sweater from Ralph Lauren. I'll show you what that looks like underneath, and also a denim shirt, button down denim shirt from Ralph Lauren as well too. So you can get an idea of some different looks that you could go with. I'll show you the back here too, so kind of get an idea of what that looks like in the back. So this one, buttons all the way through, 6 buttons, very comfortable. I would say that's true to fit. This is an extra large, and particularly anything I get from them in terms of shirts or jackets or coats. Extra large fits me perfectly. So if you wear extra large and anything else from Ralph Lauren, extra large will be perfect. Typically what I do with these pockets here on the side is I kind of put the flaps inside. I like the kind of gold detail here on the button clasp. Just pretty cool. So yeah, I'll give you 2 more looks so you can get an idea, and let me know your thoughts. So here I've paired it with a tan cable knit sweater from Ralph Lauren and a Ralph Lauren Oxford shirt. This one has a really good look because it's warm. Number 1, it's pretty comfortable underneath. Number 2, and it gives layers, right? So you have you going from light to darker here on the outside. Also, the tan kind of goes well with the gold accents on the jacket. So So this is a really nice look here, especially for the fall or even, you know, the early winter, depending on where you're located. Here in Chicago, I find it to be perfect all the way up to maybe mid-December. And then from there, you know, you may want to put a coat on. But if you're not going too far, or you're just, you know, stepping out and not going to be exposed outside a lot in cold weather, this is perfect. I mean, this is going to keep your neck protected. It's wool down, so it has duck down feathers here on the inside. Very warm. Very nice detail, very regal looking. So you could dress this up in any different way. You know, you want to go about it, which is you could put on a nice tie with a button up if you're going to step out with it. Once again, sweater or layers, or however you want to do it. And so I will show a light denim shirt with this. I think it's a pretty unique look because the blue and the blue on the vest pairs well. All right, here it is, guys, paired with a denim shirt. This has a pretty unique look because it gives sort of a rugged look here with the denim and also the classic look on the outside. So you're kind of getting two distinct styles here, and also the blue from the denim shirt paired with a darker French navy here on the vest looks very good together. It complements one another. So here's another unique style that you could pair with this vest. Highly recommend this vest. It gets a lot of compliments. A lot of people are just wondering what it is and where I got it from when they see it, you know, around. And so the outside shell is made of Italian virgin wool. The inside lining here is made of cotton. And there is duck down feathers on the inside. I believe they're sourced here from the United States. So it's a very warm vest, very comfortable. Once again, it fits true to size. If you're an XL normally in Ralph Lauren, get an XL in this, and I highly recommend it. And just as a side note, you know, if this is going to be worn in late fall or early winter, you may want to pair up a nice pair of gloves with it. I like driver gloves, so I'll show you what that kind of gives a look to with this. Driver gloves, once again, has a, you know, nice look to it. They're very comfortable. Has a really good grip, and also allow for your hands to breathe. I actually find it to be warmer than traditional gloves, as it allows you know, better airflow instead of just trapping cold air you know, in your gloves with your extremities. So yeah, this is another look that I like to pair up with the vest, just as a side note. Let me know what you guys think. Once again, subscribe to the channel. If you like, hit the notifications bell so you can get notifications on when I upload new videos, which is, you know, hopefully quite frequently. And that's about it. So take care, you guys. This is Men's Lifestyle with Zach Ross. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Men's Lifestyle with Zach Ross.